We'll guide you through how to apply background blur in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and choose the design file where you want to apply the background blur effect. Select the layer or object that you want to blur. This could be an image, a shape, or even a group of elements. Once selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where you see the properties panel. Scroll down until you find the effects section. Click on the plus icon next to effects, add a new effect. You'll see a drop-down menu appear from this menu. Select background blur. Now you'll notice that the background behind your selected object is blurred. You can adjust the intensity of the blur by dragging the slider to the left or right. A higher value will create a stronger blur effect, while a lower value will make it more subtle. If you want to see how your design looks without the blur temporarily, you can simply uncheck the checkbox next to the background blur option. This is a great way to toggle the effect on and off to see the difference. Remember, using background blur can really help your design elements stand out and create a sense of depth. Experiment with different levels of blur to see what works best for your design. And there you have it, a simple way to apply a background blur in Figma to make your designs pop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.